If you've ever driven through Winter Park and thought, wow, this feels different than the rest of Orlando, you're absolutely right. Winter Park is one of the most charming, established, and desirable places to live in Central Florida, but it's not perfect for everyone. So today we're breaking down the real pros and cons of living in Winter Park, Florida, so you can decide if it's the right fit for you.
I'm Savanna Williams.
And I'm Kathy Williams.
And together we are Team Williams mother-daughter realtor duo and your Orlando relocation experts.
Starting with the pros. Number one, first, let's talk about how beautiful Winter Park is. This area is known for brick-lined streets, towering oaks, well-maintained parks everywhere, and the gorgeous Winter Park chain of lakes, which is surrounded by some of the most beautiful estates in Central Florida. It feels charming, elegant, and lively. Unlike newer areas of Orlando, Winter Park feels well established. And that's because it is. Founded in the 1880s, the city was originally developed as a winter resort for the wealthy Northerners seeking refuge from harsh winters and a tranquil place to rest and relax. Hence the name Winter Park. And that leads us to the next point.
And pro number two, the arts, culture, and lifestyle. Winter Park also has a strong arts and culture scene. There are art festivals throughout the year, local museums, and a real sense of community. You also have the Enzian Theater, which is an independent movie theater, not your typical big box cinema. And this is technically in Maitland, but it's practically in Winter Park because Maitland and Winter Park are so close together. Park Avenue is another major highlight of Winter Park. It's walkable, lively, and full of great local restaurants and cafes. It's like an upscale outdoor mall area and park. Along Park Ave is where Winter Park has two enormous art festivals, one in the spring and one in the fall. We like to go to at least one of them each year.
Yeah, recently we had a buyer that we were working with who loves Winter Park. And the reason why she finds it appealing more than other areas is because of all the fine dining options, country club options, and world-class shopping.
But you may just want to live there because there's a Whole Foods and a Trader Joe's.
That's true.
Pro number three, gorgeous homes and neighborhood character. Another big reason people love Winter Park is the gorgeous homes and neighborhood character. You'll find beautiful architecture and neighborhoods with real personality. From historic homes to mid-century styles to luxury remodels and custom estates, every street feels a little different. This is definitely not a cookie-cutter area. If you value uniqueness and character, you may fall in love with Winter Park.
Pro number four, the prime location. Winter Park's location is another major plus. You're close to downtown Orlando, major highways, hospitals, and without feeling like you're in the middle of chaos, it's convenient with a lot of activities, but still calm in the neighborhoods, and that balance can be amazing. Not all cities in Florida or Central Florida are like this. And before we tell you the cons, we want to let you know we have a Greater Orlando relocation guide you can download by clicking in the link in the description box. This guide is a great way to start familiarizing yourself with the different areas of Greater Orlando, and it's especially helpful if you're considering moving here.
Now let's talk about one of the downsides, price. Winter Park is one of the most expensive areas in Central Florida. The latest data is the median sale price of a single family home is around a little bit over $1 million. So about 50% of homes are higher than this and 50% of homes are lower than this mark. That number is actually down by 10% year over year from about 1.14 million as the market has cooled off. But it's still a desirable area. You're paying for location, charm, and lifestyle. For some people, it's absolutely worth it. For others, it may mean compromising on size, lot, or renovations.
Con number two, limited gated communities. If having a gated community is a must for you, Winter Park may be limiting. There simply aren't many gated neighborhood options here. This area leans more towards traditional with open, established neighborhoods. You may love that, or perhaps you want a gated community, and that's important to know going in. It's a trade-off. Do you want the historic charm of brick roads, or do you want a gated community? And to clarify, there are a few luxury condos with gated entrances that are along brick-lined roads, but not gated whole communities.
Con number 3, new construction is limited. Winter Park is mostly built out. That means there's very little opportunity for new construction neighborhoods. That's not to say you can't find new construction in Winter Park. So there are new homes that are custom builds that have replaced older properties, for example. But if you want a brand new home with modern layouts, your option could be limited.
Con number 4, older homes equals possible upgrades. Because so many homes in Winter Park are older, buyers should be prepared for potential upgrades. Just depends on what the current owner has already done. You may need to budget for things like electrical updates, plumbing, roofing, or modernizing your kitchen or your bathroom. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it's important to go in informed so you can decide what makes sense for you financially. You can, of course, find out everything you need to know as a homeowner through an inspection with a reputable home inspector. This is a case-by-case thing, as some owners keep up with updating systems and others don't.
Winter Park could be a great option for you if you value character and beauty, as well as convenient access to many restaurants, shopping, and community events. It's not the cheapest area in Orlando, but it offers lifestyle that's hard to replicate really anywhere else. If you're relocating and trying to decide if Winter Park or another Orlando area makes sense for you, that's exactly what we help people navigate.
If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more breakdowns on living in and around Orlando. And don't forget to download the Greater Orlando Relocation Guide. If you're thinking about buying or relocating, feel free to reach out. We'd love to chat. Hope you have a great day and see you next time.
See you next time.